Hello friends, this is to introduce myself, Dr. Jayesh Shah, reaching out to many of you after a long time. Bringing also greetings from my wife Dr. Rajul for all of you, especially across Brazil and the South continent. It has been difficult yet a very deeply quiet and introspective time for last 1 year. Friends, I am here today to express an inner calling. This inner calling from the land of shamans and from the field of my heart, from the field of our heart. And this is with excitement when I'm looking forward to this workshop. You can call it a journey workshop like many of us had it last time in Brazil. And this workshop is into dimensions and directions. There have been deep downloads about dimensions and directions, and how we are living a very complex programming, that our perceptions and our actions are so programmed and so patterned, and all this is influenced by what I call as our positioning. Awareness of where and how we are positioned can make a huge difference, can create a choice, a possibility for reframing or having multiple ways of looking at the same issue, same problem. This grand and complex positioning is what determines our perceptions and our actions. We have been conducting workshops like the journey within, which many of you have done, like awakened relationship or awakened parenting or transgenerational healing, family constellation, or into the shadow self with Dr. Rajul, or with EFT, or with many other modalities. We are conducting many workshops, but this particular workshop is dimensions and directions. This will be a workshop, a journey into resonance, a journey creating deep awareness, a journey in which will help integration and transformation, which will create multiple possibilities for integration and transformation. It is not about one little viewpoint or one window from which you can look at your problem, or you can look at the phenomena that we can call as your own self. It is looking from multiple windows and from multiple places. So, like dimensions and directions. And what is the purpose? The purpose that I am looking for is to awaken our higher self, awaken that innate intelligence, so that this journey can put us on a positive soul plan, that we can recognize what is the plan we want to follow in this lifetime, which is guided by this integration. And this has been deeply inspired, and we are doing this first time because Dr. Rajul and myself remember and cherish the love and the welcome that we felt when we were in Brazil. So what are these dimensions and what are these directions? So I'll make it little bit more simpler introducing this subject. Like, first dimension could be the core, either the core in yourself or that core, that point in the center of the earth. That's just a point. It's the first dimension, in the core, in the center of the earth. What will happen when you meditate into this core of the earth? What wisdom will it bring? When you go to the second dimension, from the core of the earth to the surface of the earth, that is the second dimension. Everything is in straight lines. You don't have the third dimension, the space. So we'll be meditating in the second dimension and seeing what it means to us, what wisdom it brings to us. As we come through these two dimensions on the surface of this planet Earth, which is the third dimension in which all of us are living, where we have the length and the breadth and the space. The three dimensions are there. And life on this third dimension is a very challenging proposition, because how the earth is moving on its axis and around the sun causes a complex illusion, causes a complex perception, and this perception is in the center of everything that we do and experience. So once we reach these third dimensions, then lot of directions open. What are these directions? This direction can be east, west, north, south, up, down, into the field of your heart. The direction can be into your belief systems. The direction could be into these five brains, which are the apparatus that allows us to survive, our survival mechanism in these five brains. It can be direction politics. It can be direction of the moon phases. It can be direction plant, animal, mineral. It can be direction electromagnetic energy. It can be direction gravitational energy. It can be direction nuclear energy. It can be direction elements, like how we did in our last journey workshop. Elements of earth, the water, the fire, the space. All these different directions. Friends, will be meditating, and very special processes will be done to cover all this direction, that how this complex programming on the third dimension comes from so many directions. And all this is to understand the resonance. What are the different areas of resonance that affect our being, that take our choices away, that give us compulsive tendencies? So we will do extensive work on this third dimension, which is a cross section between material physical world and the non-material world. Because the first and the second dimensions are essentially material, and the third dimension is the intersection between the material world and the non-material world. And from there we will go into the fourth dimension. Everything that is experienced by human beings, by animals, by plants, by minerals, by everything that is in the first three dimensions. Every experience is stored in that collective unconscious, a kind of a canopy. All the past lives, all the experiences human beings have had, everything that your ancestors have left, that ancestral programming which is governing your, which is creating experiences for you, which you tend to live by recreating the same stories again. The archetypal world, all the spirit guides, the angel guides, all this is this wonderful fourth dimension, and how it has influence on us on the third dimension. And then from there on, we will move on to further dimensions. The further dimensions from the fourth dimension are dimensions which are not governed by the time factor, which are not governed by the movement of the earth around the sun and itself. So these are dimensions which will be beyond time. How we can download wisdom from these dimensions, how we can resonate with that, how the fifth dimension is nothing but the field of our heart. As we move through these dimensions, we will move through geometry, we will move through divine sounds, we will move through divine light, and ultimately we will enter into this dimension which is the universal womb, or that golden womb. It is called in Sanskrit as Hiranya Garbha, the womb from where the universe was born. So that is where we will enter and get the wisdom from there. And this journey through dimensions and directions needs time and commitment on our part. And two, it's coming from the field of the heart, and it will cover all aspects, multiple facets, lot of possibilities, lot of processes, lot of meditation, lot of interaction, lot of tools how to move through these dimensions. All workshops we have done, whether it be the technology in healthy relationships, or whether it be transgenerational family healing therapies, or it be connection with plant, animal, mineral, or it be with connection with the elements or directions, or all possible past lives, all possible collective Jungian way of thinking, all this will be brought together in this one mega seminar or a journey into dimensions. Moving through dimension, and each dimension has multiple directions. Bring this deep resonance, bring our soul aligned to its purpose, so that we move towards love and light with a deep sense of soul plan, that we don't move here or there, and we can follow our soul plan with lot of love and light. And friends, all this, there has been a special calling from the land of the shamans, from the field of our heart, and especially all the love that we received when I and Dr. Rajul visited Brazil. So this special workshop we are doing for the first time with anybody, and somehow I and Dr. Rajul believe that this seems to be the right group and the right time to make this love-filled journey with. Our hearts are pouring with so much enthusiasm, and both of us are looking forward to this wonderful time with anybody who wants to join. All homeopaths, non-homeopaths, your family members, anybody who is above 16 is very welcome to join this program. And we will see how we can make it most convenient in all possible ways for all of us, that we make the best out of this program and create love, light and joy for all of us. Look forward to seeing you very soon, friends. Goodbye for now. Thank you.